won, anong na-discover mo sa sarili mo?
Grabe. Actually, parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala ngayon. Every time I look back on my gallery, on the clips that have been published or posted about Miss Global, hindi pa rin po talaga ako makapaniwala na nagawa natin yon, na actually sobrang swerte na nakapag fourth runner-up tayo. And I'm just very thankful kasi hindi to magiging posible kung hindi ako sinuportahan ng lahat ng mga tao sa likod ko. It really does take a village to build a queen, and I'm one of the lucky queens to have made it this far and a global journey. And I also want to thank all my mentors, my coaches, my team, and Mutya ng Pilipinas at PCSO, of course.
Zina, yung concept ng gown mo na logo ng Miss Global, sino may isip nun?
It was a collaboration po, since I said na I want to be a vessel of the message of Miss Global. So, in-interpret and minanifest po yun ng aking designer na si Sir Daniel Manila, who took care of me from Miss Manila Mutya ng Pilipinas until Miss Global, and doon yung pinakita talaga yung aking galing natin. So, showing the global stage na ako yung magdadala ng talagang mensahe, which is empowering women, embracing cultures, and embodying the beauty within. And I'm very, very privileged. Sobrang galing po niyang designer na naipakita natin to.
What's next for Zina?
What's next? For now, I want to continue and focus on my reign. Actually, sa totoo lang po, 3 yung titles ko ngayon. Yung Miss Manila Charity, Mutya ng Pilipinas Charity, tsaka ito pong Miss Global. So, I really want to focus on just doing my best in showing what a queen should be in all those titles. And ayun po muna ang nakikita ko in terms of my reign.
Zina, gonna work with PCSO. How this come about? Paano nagkaroon ng collaboration with PCSO?
Kasi po, Mutya ng Pilipinas Charity is a crown from PCSO. So, if you win for next year ng Mutya ng Pilipinas Charity, you're gonna be working with PCSO po.
I see.
So,
you'll be working with PCSO, so ibig sabihin may charity works to, you'll be visiting the sick, the needy,
yes,
like that.
I'm still waiting for the schedule for those visits. Pero so far, ang mga napuntahan ko pong events is yung giving away of patient transport vehicles to different regions all over the country. Napuntahan ko po siya. And then I also was lucky to judge the lotto draw for one time sa PCSO office po. And also attending the anniversary of PCSO rin po.
Zina, siguro di ba nag-showcase ka na? Is there a possibility na isingit mo siya ngayon? Or pwede bang kung may interested sa'yo, pumasok ka?
Oo nga po, actually pananawagan ko po na nasa Pilipinas na po ako. Nabili lang po. Of course, I still want to continue acting. And I'm just waiting for casting calls. And also, ayun, manifesting and praying for more work po for this year since kakatapos lang po natin sa international competition, medyo mabigat po siya. So, ayun po. Sana makapag-acting pa rin po ako.
If ever, anong genre yung gusto mo? Comedy, action?
Actually,
drama? At sino yung gusto mong
grabe naman, grabe naman.
Or maka-work na lang siguro?
Ano ba? Recently, na-addict ako sa mga Netflix shows ngayon. So, marami po talaga akong pangarap na roles, pero usually yung mga directors pa nakakita sa akin na, bagay sa akin yung ganito, like yung lawyer na role, o kaya yung isang role ko po sa isang movie nila Dennis Rillo and Jenny Lynn Mercado po. So, any role naman, masaya naman
pero
po.
mas gusto mo ba ikaw yung inaapi or ikaw nang aapi?
Ooh! Gusto ko matry yun ng aapi. Para lang ma-unleash yung side ko na ganon.
If ever, sinong gusto mong makawal?
Of course, yung mga batikang actress po sa generation natin, sila Miss Catherine Bernardo, Miss Nadine Lustre, I grew up watching them. And to all the upcoming actresses and actors also, I want to work with them. And even those who are already veterans like sila Mr. Piolo Pascual, Sir Jericho Rosales, Miss Vilma Santos, and ayun po.
A part of winning 4th runner-up sa Miss Global, are you going back to Malaysia?
Thailand?
Thailand, I mean.
Two countries siya actually, it's Cambodia and Thailand. And it's now owned by Thailand po, yung TPN Global. Yeah, I think we're gonna go back there soon. Hopefully, parang may mga events. And nakakatuwa po talaga kasi alagang-alaga po kami ng TPN, kaming mga global queens.
Siguro message mo na lang sa mga gustong sumali ng mutya ng Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Kasi malapit na rin.
Opo. Malapit na po ang Mutya ng Pilipinas 2025, and I'm inviting everyone who has a dream in their heart, planted, that is still waiting to grow. This is your chance, this is your platform to let that hometown girl shine within you. So, please sign up, please go to the casting for Mutya ng Pilipinas 2025.
Sa mga followers mo, where they can follow you on social media?
Alright, to everyone who's been supporting me, who's been appreciating me, sana huwag po kayong magsawa. Please follow me on my Instagram, that is at Zina Ramos, and TikTok and Facebook at Zina Ramos PH.
Alright, thank you very much, Zina!